Thunderstorms. What are thunderstorms? Negative and positive charges. How do they form? The sun heats the earth, which warms the air. If the air is forced to rise because of hills and or hot and cold air, it causes a pushing motion. But it will only rise if the air weighs less or is warmer. As it rises, it transfers heat from the earth to the upper part of the atmosphere. This is called convection. Convection is when water vapor remains cool, releasing heat, and then condenses into a cloud. The cloud then goes upward into areas that are below freezing. Some water vapor turns into ice, the rest water droplets. Both have electricity. Ice particles, positive, rain the opposite, negative. When there's enough electricity, it releases as lightning, then causing thunder. Next is the structure. There are 3 stages. The first stage is the developing stage, marked by a cumulus cloud being pushed up by air. The cloud soon looks like a tower as the upward air continues to develop. There is little to no rain, but sometimes lightning. This stage lasts about 10 minutes. Next is the mature stage. This is where the water comes in, the wind also. If the wind is fast enough, it can cause a tornado. There is sometimes hail. There is upward and downward currents. The last stage has only downward currents. It is normally dark and very cloudy. Tornadoes and thunderstorms are different because they get energy from different things. Thunderstorms, positive and negative charges. Tornadoes, water. Tornadoes. One of the worst tornadoes on record went through Missouri, Illinois, and Indiana, leaving a path of 219 miles. It killed 742 people and injured 2,771. Let's see how they form. First, layers of wind in a storm blow at all kinds of speeds, all the time or in different directions. Between the layers, a column of air starts spinning like a log. Then upward winds lift the end of the tornado. The downward winds push down on the opposite end. The column that's spinning like a log is called a funnel cloud. It is only called a tornado if it touches the ground. Usually a tornado lasts a few minutes, but can leave a huge path, and a deadly one at that. The wind can go over 100 miles per hour. They can move cars and buildings with ease. They have speeds higher than a hurricane, but are less damaging. Hurricanes. Hurricane Galveston of 1900 killed 6,000 to 12,000 people. Winds were up to 130 to 140 miles per hour and 15 feet round. Now let's learn about this violent storm. Unlike tornadoes and thunderstorms, hurricanes get their energy from warm ocean water. When water vapor condenses, it releases energy. If the conditions are right, then the energy builds up and makes the wind of the hurricanes. When the hurricane gets on land, the energy reduces. Even though winds of a hurricane are less than tornadoes, a hurricane is more destructive. Why? First, they last for many days, sometimes hitting many places. Another reason is they are much, much wider. Lastly, because waves can cause severe damage or flood the shore. Heavy rain can cause floods farther away from the shore. These storms are more damaging than tornadoes and thunderstorms, but have less speed.